In prime-time news this evening, world on high alert as China prepares to ease COVID restrictions. Animal feed crisis averted. And Prime Minister declares new round of SOEs.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, after all that holiday driving to the country or wherever, today is the day to get those tanks filled up because guess what? Gas prices are going up again effective tomorrow. I'll give you the details later on.
All right, and from business, we go to sports. Jeremy Brown is here to give us a preview. Jeremy, what do you have for us?
Thanks, Herman. Well, double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah has been hitting back at her critics. And guess what? She's been talking to Asafa Powell. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
What an interview. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What are your views on the state of dancehall music in Jamaica?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.